Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to Gotti's Garage. Real quick, if you haven't, I'm gonna put a little thing right here for you to go to my Instagram and like the page. You'll see like updates and behind the scenes stuff and stuff like that. So anyways, we got the 240 behind me in the pole barn, and pretty much the fuel cell came in today. Well, actually it came in the other day, but I lost it because they put it on my back porch for some reason. So fuel cell definitely came in today. I like it, but I don't like it. But I'll get to that shortly. So pretty much I started because my phone was charging. I'm recording on my iPhone because I didn't really like my Chinese GoPro quality on the last video. If you haven't seen that, go check that out. It was just painting the engine bay. It was a really shitty video, but it had to be done, so I wanted to record it. But anyway, so I kind of started, and it looks like shit, I know. Now there's a hole right there, but that's not a big deal. I'm gonna hammer it down so it's flat. Pretty much it was just right here, and it holds like the spare tire and shit like that. We don't need that. I was thinking about cutting this whole like outer tire holder, cutting it out, and then just welding like a piece of flat steel on there, which I still might do. But for right now, it actually kind of utilizes like, you know, how it's lower, so the fuel cell will like sit right here, which I will show you in a little bit. But anyway, so what I'm gonna end up doing, and I'm not gonna show you on camera because I'm just gonna get it done. I'm not even gonna worry about that sound deadening. We're just gonna paint over it because it's kind of a bitch to get out. I'll try to get like the easiest stuff out, but I'm not gonna worry about it too much. But we're gonna just primer all in here, paint it black, and then just clear coat it, which I got enough stuff still left over from the engine bay. So we're gonna do that. That way we can get the fuel cell installed. Right here is the fuel cell. It's like really nice quality. This feels like a little cheap, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, also has like a fuel level sensor or sender kind of thing, which I gotta figure that out because it didn't come with anything else to like pre-wire. So I'll probably just have to like either cut this off or find like an actual clip to connect to that so we can have the fuel level, which this is only a 10-gallon tank, so it's not that much, like at all. So we're definitely gonna be filling it up a lot. It can't be ran with E85 because there's foam slosh things inside. But I'm gonna look into it. Like maybe you can like remove that stuff if it'd be okay. I don't really know. But so you got like two feed lines and then 2 return lines if you're running like a high horsepower setup. The one thing I don't like about it is if you turn it upside down, you see how it's not flat? So you got these tabs that are right here. They're welded right here, but then it goes all the way down here, like maybe 2 inches. So then when it sits, you can have it flat right here, but then you have like literally, you know, that much. So I'm pretty sure, I have to do a little bit more research, and maybe you guys can tell me, somebody who knows more about it. But I'm pretty sure you want it even. I mean, that would make sense to me. So we're gonna have to run spacers underneath these tabs. And what I was thinking, because it is a fuel tank and you don't really want it just like have like constant vibration, I have this like old fuel hose that I actually bought for the 350 slot BMW when I did it. And I haven't really used it since. So what I was thinking was cutting off like this much right here. That way it could be ran underneath there with a bolt that went through it, and it would be used as a spacer as well as kind of like a rubber mount so it doesn't vibrate so much. I don't really know if that's a good idea or not. I guess there's only one way to try, but I'm sure maybe one of you guys will know too, but it'll be too late after that. Another thing, I was looking, and they make sunroof delete kits, and they are $115 plus like $35 of shipping. And literally I was looking at it, and all it is a piece of aluminum that has pre-drilled holes, so you could just like, you know, pop rivet or, you know, whatever kind of fastening way you want to do. So I think we're going to probably just go ahead and do our own, because I don't plan on running a sunroof because I don't really want a sunroof. So I guess that's all for the talking right now. I'm going to start cleaning this out, start laying some primer down, and then, man, I got to fucking power wash it too, don't I? So this is what I was talking about, how low it, you know, using the spare tire thing. So it's pretty low. It's actually below like the latch and everything like that. and it fits in there pretty good at being a 10 gallon. That's kind of why I went with the 10 gallon, not the 15. I just put a 45 degree AN fitting on there, and that looks like it will be actually pretty good. I might have to go 90, but we'll try like pounding like out here just a little bit, just so the hose can run. But anyways, so we can go from the fuel filter right here to like the pump right over here, and the pump will go obviously down to whatever one of these are the feed line, and then it's gonna go all the way down there, and then it's gonna hook up to another 40 micron fuel filter, and then a regulator, because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to run a regulator, and then to the fuel rail. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and just give this a quick spray down. I just vacuumed it out. All right, guys, so now that I'm stoned off my mind because of this shit, I don't know, it's all painted. It's not the best, but it's definitely better than what it was. Just like the engine bay, it's not no show car or anything like that. We're just trying to make it look like a 20-foot car, which means it's nice 20 feet away. But anyways, so I have it painted and I have it clear coated, and we are just gonna wait for it to dry. That way we can put the fuel cell in and then bolt it up. All right, guys, what do you think? It's all bolted in again. I'll show you what the bottom looks like. Yeah, like a bolt there. I'm gonna get washers, obviously, and then some thread locker. Get one washer right there, the other washer right there, and then the other one, oh, shit, right there. So, and it's pretty sturdy. As you can see, I can move it all around and it not even do anything. I mean, you feel it shift a little bit, but that's just because of the rubber bushings I made. So I think that looks pretty good, actually. I mean, obviously it could look way better if I sanded it down and actually sprayed it with real paint, but this is what you got. I like it. Could be way worse, or it could have just left it and make it look, you know, like that. All right, well. All right, guys, this is where I'm going to end it. Let me know below in the comments what you guys think about how this build is coming out and what you guys think about the fuel cell, where I placed it, and my spray paint job. Just let me know everything. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Also, something special coming for next week's video. Going to pick it up right now, and you guys have a great day.